Hey guys, on today's exciting episode, we're going to fix this broken fence. Now, in typical fashion of these fence builders, they did it quick and they did it cheap and they didn't do it well. So we're going to go in, we're going to make a couple of quick improvements, and hopefully this thing's going to last a lot longer than what it did. So as you saw from the pictures, not only did the fence come down, but there was a huge pile of bricks to deal with. It looks like the bricks were actually stacked up and leaning on the fence. With the slope of the yards where mine is downhill, our springtime rains caused the soil to erode, and it was only a matter of time that this was going to happen. So the first thing to do, after restacking all those bricks, was to dig out that rotted stump. This took a lot longer than expected, as it had only a small amount of concrete holding it together. It would fall apart into little bits every time I tried to take it a little bit away from the surrounding dirt. That meant I couldn't take it out as one big chunk. The post was dropped into what seemed to be mostly dry clay, so that compounded the situation. It just rotted away from the bottom. Never mind the June heat was wearing me out quick, so I had to take a lot of breaks to rehydrate. So there's 4 main improvements we're going to make on this fence. First, keep the wood out of the dirt and the concrete. Nothing causes wood rot more than moisture, and keeping the post above the surface helps keep it dry. To do this, we're going to use a bracket to hold the post in place instead of sinking it into the ground or into any concrete. The second improvement is we raise the top of the concrete above the dirt line. This will keep water and dirt from pooling at the base of the post. Third improvement is use stronger 2x4s for the horizontal position. The bigger lumber will give us a much stronger fence. And fourth improvement, we're going to use screws instead of nails. The nails that were used were already rusty, so we're going to replace them with screws that are treated for outdoor use. If we ever need to replace any part of this fence, it'll be easy to do so by reusing the screws instead of replacing nails. Gotcha. Oh. I hate you. Oh boy. And with that literally out of the way, it's time to get some concrete going. So it's pretty square to the string. Unfortunately, it's a little too close to the edge. Should put the string up before I put the form in, but I think we're going to be okay. I think we'll be okay. Now we let it dry some more. Here I'm just cutting down the tube a little bit to help the sun get into the actual surface of the concrete. Alright guys, so here it is 2 days after I poured this little pile of cement, and I'm really confused and pretty frustrated because it's not hard. It's been 2 days, and I don't know if you saw the label on the bag, but this is Quickcrete. It's supposed to be solid in 4 hours. It's been 2 days. Not a happy camper. So, we're going to go ahead, we're going to get the 4x4 mounted in this thing, and we're going to keep moving forward. What could possibly go wrong? And here we are at the last stage of this project, installing the vertical slats. Pretty sure this is going to go pretty quick, so hopefully this is just going to be a nice quick little montage. Enjoy! And here comes some awesome dead bod parkour. Done. Are you sure? Are you sure you're done? Don't you have a couple of other little things to take care of?
Almost done. Almost done.
Thought so.
Okay, that wraps it up for this video for the time being. A couple things left to do, like I said. First, cut the top of this post off so it's at the right height. Next, get some stain on this, get some grass seed into this, and do something about this post. I don't know if you saw it during the video, but it wobbles. The post frame, it didn't get set. The concrete itself, I poured 3 days ago, and I can still mush my finger into it. I don't know what's going on because it's Quickcrete. It's supposed to be dry in 4 hours, not 4 days. So if you know anything about it, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what's going on. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.